Namaste. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the request object, which happens to be implicit object of JSP. Okay, so let me go to the web content. We are using the same project, but I am using a different file, JSP file. So give it any name, like I have given request object example.jsp. If you are happy with the name, click on finish. Then I'm going to write the HTML tag, then body tag. Okay, then I will show you how to use the request implicit object of JSP. So as heading 3, let me give some message like JSP implicit objects. Okay, so I'm going to use, first I'm going to give the prompt like request user agent. So what it is going to do is it is going to show the operating system and the web browser that the client is using. So what I would write within the expression tag is, like, as you know, expression tag starts from angular bracket percentile is equal to, then I am going to use request object dot and followed by this method called get header, and as an argument we are supposed to pass an argument user agent. Now what this is going to do is, this is going to show you the operating system as well as the web browser the client is using. Okay, I've used break line. Then we can print the language being used, so request language, and this time over again I am going to use the request object. Then I would write get locale. Okay, get locale, and okay, so this is going to return the language like American English, US English or UK English, whatever language we people are using on the client machine. So this is request locale, and this one H of get header should be capital. Okay, so far so good. So we have used two methods, get header and get locale, which are invoked through the object request. Okay, press the right mouse button, go to run as, run on server. Okay, so let's see the output. Okay, this is going to be executed, and on the web browser we will see this one. Okay, let's wait for the output. Servlet engine has been started. Okay, it's taking some time. And this is the output. See, this is showing Windows NT, that is Windows operating system is being used, and you can see that because we are using the inbuilt web browser, so I will show you how to run this program using either Internet Explorer or we will be using this one, Google Chrome, and request language is being shown as English US because we are using this English US. Okay, so what I would be doing is, I have pasted the URL, copied the URL and pasted in Google Chrome. Now you can see this is Google Chrome. Initially in the previous example, the inbuilt browser of Tomcat, your Eclipse was being used.